Alright guys, so this is a balm from Witch Baby Soaps. I just did a haul on it. This one is called Freebird, and its scent description is leather and honey. It smells good. It's like a fresh, slightly powdery, well, it's not really, it's not fresh. It's just like a clean, powdery scent. I think anyway. I think it smells good. I think this one was done for the holiday. Not 100% sure, but it wasn't on when I did my first haul, and as it got closer to the 4th, this popped up, and it's called Freebird, so it's red, white, and blue. It was probably made for the holidays. Anyway, it's got a brown bottom, or it looks kind of brownish here, but it's red. So let's put her in. I got 3 of these. I got it that way I could put one in the giveaway. Oh, look how pretty. Yeah, y'all, I got down-staffed last night. I think I'd said it in my my haul video. I needed it after Friday night. Friday night was awful at work. So tonight, this was a blessing. Even though usually the first 4 hours of my shift, any night is the worst a lot of times, but I don't know. It's always nice to be down-staffed if you have the PTO time or personal days or whatever you call them. You know, that way you still get paid, but you can go home. I love the red and the blue color combinations. I think it's so pretty. It doesn't look like this one's going to turn purple though. It doesn't look like the water's going to turn purple though. But we're not halfway through the balm yet, so we'll see. Look at the color of the water up there. It's a very pretty color right now. I don't know if it's going to stay that though. And tonight, I swear, it is a gorgeous night out. The moon is full. It's beautiful. There's barely any clouds in the sky. There's just a nice light breeze. It's warm. It's just a nice night. I thought I was going to come home and, because I've got the house to myself, because, you know, of course, everybody's supposed to be working tonight. So my boo-boo is at my aunt's house. So, yeah, I got the house to myself. I thought I would come home and go to bed, get some good sleep, but I don't think that's going to happen. I'm too wide-eyed and bushy-tailed right now. Alright, I think it's about done. Yeah, it's just got a tiny little slither left there. Alright. beautiful shade in the water here. It's like a dark, raspberry color. It's a slightly purplish red. It's very pretty. Very pretty. Now I don't see any shimmer in the water at all. Don't see any. I'll turn my light on and look and make sure, and if it is, I'll post a clip at the end, but I don't think there is. And it looks like it's going to give us some bubbles. Let's see, I'm going to give it a try. Yep, it did a little bit. So it will give you a little bit of bubbles. It smells good. It smells like it's going to stick. It feels like it's kind of on the lighter side of the moisture. But it was kind of it was a smaller balm. The water is gorgeous. Look at that. I love that color. Alright guys, I'm going to get off of here and enjoy my empty house and the full moon. It's a beautiful, beautiful night. So, I hope you all have a good one.